On how to find the products of polynomials. Okay, number 1, 2 times the quantity of x squared plus 5. So, in this expression, or in this polynomials, we're going to use the distributive property. So, this is a multiplication of monomial by a binomial. Again, we're going to apply the distributive property. Okay, we multiply 2 times x squared, and that is equal to 2x squared. The next, 2 times 5 equals 10. The product of the polynomials is 2x squared plus 10. Number 2, find the product of monomial by a binomial. We're going to use the distributive property. Okay, we multiply 4x times x. And then it is equal to 4x squared. And then 4x times negative 3. The answer is negative 12. So the product of 4x times the quantity of x minus 3 is 4x squared minus 12. Okay, next, number 3. So number 3, we multiply binomial by a binomial. We're going to use FOIL method to multiply x minus 3 times x plus 3. Okay, or we can also apply the sum and difference of two terms. Okay, but this time I will going to use FOIL method. So I will going to multiply the first term. F stands for first term. So x times x equals x squared. And then we have O. O stands for outer term. Outer term are x and 3. So x times 3 equals 3x. And then we have the I. Okay, I is for the inner term, which is negative 3 and x. So we multiply negative 3 times x, and that is equal to negative 3x. And then the next one, we have the L. L stands for the last term. Last terms are negative 3 and positive 3. Then we multiply. The answer is negative 9. We combine like terms. Again, ang like terms natin dyan is positive 3x and negative 3x, which is pareho silang may variable na x, or pareho sila ng variable at pareho sila ng exponent. Again, maiko-combine lang natin yung terms kapag same ang variable at same ang exponent. So, we combine positive 3x and negative 3x. Okay, we add, and then we have x squared. Positive 3x plus negative 3x is 0. Okay, and then we have negative 9. Therefore, the answer is x squared minus 9. Okay, next, number 4 example. This is multiplying binomial by a binomial. Okay, again, we're going to use the FOIL method. Okay, the quantity of x plus 6 times the quantity of x plus 2. Okay, F stands for the first term. So, we multiply x times x equals x squared. O is for the outer term, so we have x and 2, so x times 2 equals 2x. I is for the inner term, which is 6 and x, so 6 times 6 equals 6x. And L stands for the last term, therefore we have 6 and 2, then 6 times 2 equals 12. So again, meron ulit tayong same terms, so i-combine natin yung same variable and same exponent, which is, we combine 2x and 6x. Okay, so we have x squared, 2x plus 6x equals 8x plus 12. Therefore, the answer is x squared plus 8x plus 12. Okay, next, number 5. Again, this is multiplying binomial by a binomial. And then we're going to use the FOIL method. F stands for the first term, 2x times x equals 2x squared. And outer term, we have 2x times negative 5 is negative 10x. And the inner term, which is 3 times x, which is 3x. And L stands for the last term, 3 times negative 5. And that is negative 15. Again, we have like terms. So we combine, we're going to add. Okay, add negative 10x plus 3x. So, therefore, we have 2x squared, negative 10x plus 3x. Okay, different sign. So, kapag different sign, subtract natin. So, that is 7. and then copy the sign of the bigger number, which is negative 7. Okay, the bigger number is 10. Therefore, we have negative 7x minus 15. And then, now the answer is 2x squared minus 7x minus 15. So, since alam na natin kung paano mag-multiply ng polynomials, so let's proceed. What is quadratic equation?